Hi, my name's Scarlet. My sister and I, her name is Shadow, we helped my old mom put some dog crate dollies together for our dog crates so it wouldn't be so hard for her to move them. This is the kind of dog crate that we sleep in. We love our dog crates, but it's hard for Mom to move them since she's getting older. And she complains that her back hurts just like this feller in this picture here every time she has to pick them up and move them. She couldn't afford to make these fancy ones like they have that you can buy. She said that she could make them. And this is my sister, Shadow. She says, "Mom, you think you can do what?" And Mom said, "Well, I can make these dog crate dollies." And I said, "Are you sure you know what you're doing?" And she said she did. So I said, "Well, okay, I have faith in you. If you think that you can make them, then let's go make them." So Shadow helped Mom gather up all the stuff that she said she needed to get this job done. And she said that she needed these tabletops that she had out in the garage that were 1-inch thick plywood. They had burlap on them, and so she had to strip that off. She needed to go to the hardware store and get some wheels, they call them casters, and get some nuts and bolts and some washers. She got her drill bits out because she needed to make pilot holes where she's going to drill the bigger holes to put the wheels on. And she got her drill out. And we got all this stuff gathered up, and she put these wheels on by drilling the holes down after she took her measuring stick and made some measurements. Once she got the holes drilled, she could put the washers and the lock washers and the bolts and the nuts through them there. And then she took this thing, which made a funny noise, and she ratcheted them down real tight so that the wheels would stay on. And I said, "Let's go, Shadow, let's go. Let's take a look and see how Mom did our beds up." So we went and we got in our beds, and oh, we are so happy. It's such a nice place to sleep, and she can move them so easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I may come back if you show enough interest. Leave comments and tell Mom what you thought of the video.